Welcome to the Fox's Den. My name is Alexis.
And today we are making a 3-ingredient broccoli and chicken bake. Lexi begins by shredding an already roasted chicken breast.
You have to shred the chicken and spread it around.
Looks
Look
good.
how yummy.
Looks yummy. So we got an already roasted one, right? Mm-hmm. You can make it yourself too, but why? Look, we picked it off the bones.
So we have 2 bags of broccoli and cheddar cheese.
Good. Yes, let's look at that. You could steam it, but we're not. We're just going to put it right on top, right? Okay. All right, go ahead.
Good.
How long does it bake?
For 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Are you eating frozen broccoli?
Yeah.
So what are we going to do now? While it's baking at 350 for about 20 minutes, what are we doing next?
We're going to bake biscuits.
Yes, we're going to cut up the biscuits.
Yeah.
And they're organic, right? Who makes
Yeah.
them? I think Annie's does.
Yeah.
Nope. Immaculate makes it. Immaculate organic biscuits. Oven ready to bake at 350 for about 20 minutes. And then we will add the biscuits.
You cut it into small pieces. There's a little, really small piece, look. But that wasn't one of these. Right. Put my handprint in there. There, I'll put my handprint in there. Wow. It looks like it's so many. Like 100. Come on.
So bake for 20 minutes. The broccoli's almost done. Cheese is mostly melted. And now we're going to add all of the little biscuit pieces and let it bake till it's golden brown, which I think is about another 10 minutes. We'll check back. Abby Rose is in the kitchen now putting the biscuit bits on. Go ahead, Rosie.
Just a little bit. Hurry, X. You put it on it. I thought you put it on the side. You could put it on top as well. Like biscuits. Don't go. There's so many biscuits. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum.
Here it is, hot out of the oven, ready to serve. It's another 3-ingredient success. Everyone loved it, especially Lexi. Thank you for tuning into the Fox's Den. Be sure to check back for more recipes in the playlist, The Kitchen.